Hey, Mr. Lotec here. Look what we got. Hey, I'm doing this review for a customer because they ordered it without us doing research on it. I don't know the name brand. Um, I do know it, but I just can't actually spell it. I think it's German, but I will leave a brand name in the description, and then you guys can look it up. This came out for Amazon. This is 49 something, $50. But anyway, we're going to take this thing apart. All right, flipped it over. Now I'm going to go ahead and see what's inside here. The sun is changing. So you can't really see anyway. All right, first order of business is lantern. This is a pop-up lantern. That's how it engages. But remember, you need batteries. 3 AA's. We got the shovel. It's got an extension on it too. Of course, the multi-tool. Not bad quality. Um, this is the knife with the package, and there's actually a bunch of bits in here, which I think are cool too. A lanyard with a bottle opener, pretty cool. Uh, Thermal blanket to keep you warm. Let's see, first aid kit, haven't been in there yet. Um, a ferrite stick, so that's cool. And I think it has a whistle. Yeah, I don't know. Gas one's got a whistle on the back. More paracord. Nice little wristband. Some fire starter, cool. Another whistle. Redundancy everywhere. Glow sticks, woo, fun. It's gonna take up the whole freaking trailer. Okay, the saw. Little cable saw here, that's pretty cool. Let's see. Everybody needs one of these. Little D-ring. A fishing kit, cool. This thing's pretty cool. I can't wait to show you this. This is actually like a little credit card tool thing with wrenches and all sorts of fun stuff. More paracord. Actually, the ends look better than they did in the last review I watched. They were all frayed. This one's actually been cooked. Somebody put a lighter to it. That's cool. All right, almost done. Everybody needs a spork. And of course, another whistle. And it's got a bottle opener under the whistle. Pretty cool layout here. All right, the lanyard, or not the lanyard, the lamp. That's what it looks like. Batteries go on the bottom, pretty simple. When you pop it up, it turns on, so that's cool. Close that one. Now this is the pick shovel. Believe it or not, you can actually stuff a couple things down in there when you split the, see the little seam here? You can actually split the handle and put stuff in there if it's deployed. Now, this tool is quite interesting. You could probably beat somebody over the head with this thing, it's so heavy. But it's got a lot of function. Um, it actually has pliers too, and it's got cutters on it, but the cutters are shear cutters, so you can cut through some pretty thick stuff. You'll think that's pretty cool. Now, this one here is, it's got to be a good 15, 20 bucks just by itself because it's got a lot of stuff on it. It even has a quarter drive on it, on the Phillips. And the reason it has that is because you can run quarter-inch drive with an adapter. You can put sockets on here. It has all the different bits for all the modern cars, so that's pretty cool. Dealing with the paracord wristband thing, it has a compass. Actually moves pretty good. The review I watched said it didn't. Now this thing here is amazing. Get it out of here. This is something, hold on for a second. Yeah, this one here will actually do some damage with a weapon. Oh, not easy to come out. Okay, I'm gonna have to pull that one out. This thing is just dangerous. I would keep this in my pocket. It's got serrated edges. It's all stainless steel. It's got all sorts of stuff, including little wrenches and things. Pretty brutal. That thing is definitely, you wouldn't want to tie that to a rope. That would actually cause somebody some harm. And of course, you have the D-ring, which I showed you earlier. And I'm not going to uncoil that right now. That's not cool. Anyway, you got your fishing gear. That's cool. Some, jigs and stuff. This little course, I showed you all this. I would definitely throw about 3 more in there, so at least you have 4 people and keep warm for that blanket. And they're cheap, no big deal. Anyway, one more thing I'm going to show you before I get out of here. This is the bag. This bag has so much room. Once you actually stow all this back in here, it's going to go in little zip pockets. There's little mollies all over the place. The storage in here again. Yes, I have been in this box. Okay, of course you got the Velcro there. Let's see, Velcro. That comes loose. And then it comes loose again because it's real sticky. You get all sorts of bags in there. This whole back part here actually has Velcro on it, so you can pull the whole thing off. Do that again. If it come off, there we go. We ripped it off. You can put a lot of stuff on here. There's more mollies on the back. That's got cute little helicopter cord thingies. Ooh, those are fun. And in the front, you got room for patches. That's Velcro strips up there. More wannabe molly down here. It's good to go. All right. That's it, guys. You probably only need to add a few things to it. It's not too bad. For $50, you're getting a lot of stuff. Anyway, slow takeout. Gotta go.